This is one of the label maker like machines that I use basically at work and I use for various things around the house. And I don't know if you guys have ever bought any of this stuff right here, but it is expensive. Just for one was very expensive. Well, I found a set of 4 at a very affordable price, and I'll kind of show you what they look like here. They come in these individually packaged right here, and I was a little like skeptical at first that it wasn't a name brand of one of these things, but after getting this in and using it, I'll actually show you how well it works. It's like works, let's just type in works great. There we go, print. Check this out. I have it on tiny print because I've been using it on, I've been putting things up and labeling things, but check this out, everybody. And I actually recommend this little label maker here too. This is the PTouch. You know, what's the model number on this one? The PT 1890. This is their PT 1890 one, and it works extremely well. So if you're needing to get it out, look how great that works. There you go. Look how great that works. And you know what? It just works just as well as the Brothers one. You see the peel off right there. And this stuff will stick on just about everything that I wanted to stick. And you would cut it right there. I need to adjust the margins on this thing. Look at that. Works great. How awesome is that? Look how nice that looks. It has a very clean, nice, shiny look to it. And it comes in various sizes, but I got the sizes for the PT 1890, and this is the 12 millimeter by 4.7 laminated, black and yellow, but I'm sure the other ones fit just as well. And it was easy to put in. You can see how it locks into place. I'm not going to take it out because I got it lined up in there. Well, you know what? I'll take it out anyway. You can see how it kind of works right there, and it just lines right up, and everything works just perfect with this thing. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the 4-pack, you know, yellow tape label maker. See y'all in the next video.